In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add stores to your worksheet using the Routes feature in the Easy Manage Mobile Pro app. This feature is typically used by W2 users and is designed to streamline your workflow by assigning all stores on a selected route to be serviced on the same day. It helps ensure efficient scheduling and proper coverage across multiple locations. Depending on your user settings, the Routes feature may be set to mandatory, optional, or disabled. If it's mandatory, you won't be able to add stores individually. They must be added by route. So whether you're planning your day or just getting started, this tutorial will show you exactly how to use Routes to stay organized and compliant. Let's get started. To add stores by route, tap on the Routes icon. This icon allows you to pull all stores under a specific route into a single worksheet. If Routes is not visible, this means it's disabled for your user account based on settings configured by your employer. A list of available routes will be displayed. Tap on the route you need to service. Be sure to note, if your account is set to mandatory routing, this is the only method available for adding stores. You cannot use the stores icon to add individual stores. Once a route is selected, all stores under that route will be automatically added to your worksheet. These stores are intended to be worked on the same day. You can now begin servicing the stores from your worksheet by tapping on the store name and proceeding as usual. That's it! You've successfully added stores to your worksheet using the Routes feature. Don't forget to complete all necessary widgets, including Drive to Store, Work Vendor, and Inventory actions, to ensure your work is properly recorded. Routes make it easier to manage multiple store visits efficiently and stay on schedule. Once you've completed everything, be sure to close out your worksheet to finish the process. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips inside the EMP app.